Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I also want to take a second and just welcome all of my new subscribers, and I also want to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot. I'm really happy that you guys enjoy what I'm putting out there, and I guess, you know, in a way we are kind of like, we enjoy the same things, so obviously, but it's really cool because I really didn't think people would really watch my videos. I just did it for fun because that's just, I love playing with makeup, and I figured why not just upload and share. So that is the reason why I just do these videos, because I enjoy them. So now for today's video, I do want to do something dewy for the springtime. So as you can see, I already filled in my brows. I did go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz right here. This one is in the shade dark brown. And I also applied a little bit of this, what is this? The Baby Lips from Maybelline. I really love this one. This one's my favorite. I repurchased this one over and over. This is the Coral Crave one, and I just love it. This one's the Dark Dr. Rescue, just in case you guys were curious. Alright, so I am going to start a little different in today's video. I am going to start off with the face. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Hydrating and Smooth Primer. I want to go in with this one because I want to make sure that my face is nice and, you know, moisturized, and it doesn't feel dry when I, you know, because I am trying to achieve that dewy look. Alright, so for foundation today, I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. I'm not going to go in with a matte because, again, we want to achieve that dewy look. So anything that isn't matte is the perfect foundation. So I'm just going to grab my damp Real Technique sponge, and I'm just going to apply this all over the face. To achieve that nice dewy look, we want to make sure that we use a lot of creams and liquid products. So to cream contour, I am going to go in with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation, and this is in the shade Almond. I really do like using concealers, foundation sticks, anything creamy as a contour or bronzer. So I'm just going to make sure I suck in my cheeks. I'm also going to contour my nose just a tad bit. And mount my lips. And right here. And to blend all of this out, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm also going to go in with this one right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Foundation. This is in the shade Coconut. I'm just going to use this one because this one's a little bit darker, and I want to make sure that you can actually see like a chiseled contour. So I'm going to use that right here and just blend this out with the same brush. Alright, so now moving on to concealer. I love this one right here when you're trying to get that dewy look. This one is so hydrating underneath the eye. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. The only thing I don't like about this is that it makes my eyes burn. I don't know why, but it does. I have this in the shade Natural Beige. So I'm just going to apply this underneath the eye, right here. And like I said, it burns my eyes a little bit. It like stings, you know? And then I'm just going to apply some right here, down the bridge of my nose, here, the chin, right here, right here. Here, we're gonna reverse this right here and clean it up because it's messy. And this is nice to clean it up. And then I'm gonna grab my Real Technique sponge and blend it out. I'm gonna go back in with that contour brush and just blend this out right here. All right, so now I'm gonna jump right into the eyes, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation in the shade Almond again, and I'm going to use this as a shadow, a cream shadow, because again, this goes with the whole dewy look. I want to make sure that my eyes look dewy, and like I just want it to look like I'm not really wearing makeup, but I am wearing makeup, if that makes any sense. So I feel like this is just all really light, and it's just emphasizing all of the right areas on my face. And now I'm just going to grab this brush right here. This is the Morphe G24 brush. I don't know if they sell these brushes anymore, but any other brush is good. I also have this one from BH Cosmetics. It came in one of their brush sets, which is really good. But I'm going to grab the foundation stick, and I'm just going to grab some of the product on the brush. I'm going to blend it out on the back of my hand also before I go into the eye. And I'm just going to apply this right here into the crease and just pretty much just contour, you know? Now I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to grab this one from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the same contour foundation stick and grab some of that product and just apply it on the lower lash line. Alright, so now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with this one from ColourPop. I really do love this cream highlighter. This is in the shade Lunch Money. This is their Super Shock Cheek, and it's the pearlized one. So all I'm going to do is literally like take my two fingers. You could take your ring finger or just both of these. I usually like to grab both of these fingers right here, and I'm just going to literally just melt that with my fingers, and then I'm just going to apply that right here. Whoa, don't worry, we're gonna fix that. And we're gonna go here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab my sponge, and I'm just going to blend that out with the sponge, just like that. You see that? Look at that. It's pretty. Doesn't this look so natural, youthful, dewy? Looks good. And then I'm just gonna go with a little bit of highlighter on the tip of the nose and the Cupid's bow, of course. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna grab a little bit of this highlighter and apply that on the brow bone. So I'm just grabbing a flat brush like this. This one's also from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to run that right here, just lining my brow bone. I'm also going to grab my ring finger and just grab a little bit of this and apply it on the center of the eyelid, just like that. And that's just gonna make the eye pop just a little bit. All right, so now I'm going to add a little bit of blush, and of course we're gonna go in with a cream blush, but I don't own any cream blushes. So what I like to go in with is the Anastasia of Beverly Hills contour cream contour kit, and I'm grabbing this orangey shade right here, and I'm just grabbing also a stippling brush like this. This one is from e.l.f. And all I'm doing is applying that right here on the cheek, and then just blending that back, well, bringing it back. And then I'm going to grab my damp sponge and just press that, and it's blended. Just like that. And this is looking super natural, super dewy, youthful, and I love it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in with some lashes. You don't have to, but I need a lash. I really do. You can just easily go in with some mascara, but I'm going to apply some lashes. So I will be right back. All right, guys, so as you can see, I finished applying my lashes. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes. You guys know that these are the best lashes ever, ever, ever. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply some lip liner. This is the MAC lip liner in this shade Subculture. And now I'm going to go in with my favorite lip gloss. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal. Alright, so for this whole look, I didn't go in with any powdered products. All the products that I used are all liquid or cream based, and I don't need to set my face, but I am going to spray my face with a little bit of the Mario Badescu because, I mean, why not give my face a little bit more of a dewy look? So I'm just going to add a little bit of this spray. What I like to do when I apply spray, when I have either powder or just cream products on my face, I like to take the sponge and just go over that. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. This is how I achieve my dewy makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that some of these products you guys already own. If you don't, I would definitely substitute it with whatever it is that you have. As long as you're using a liquid or a cream-based product, I feel like you can definitely achieve the dewy look that I have going on right now. And also, if you need to set your under eye, I definitely recommend you doing so. Just because you don't want it to like slip and slide all over the place, just in case you're super oily. And just do a very light dusting on the under eye and on the T-zone, whatever it is that you need to do, but just leave like these areas right here glowing, you know what I mean? The tip of the nose, a little bit on the chin, you know, the natural oil, like the areas that do get dewy, you know, throughout the day. And that is pretty much it. I feel like this is really fresh and it just looks like my skin but better, and I absolutely love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look right here. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course, if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!